In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import fonts in Klaviyo, a powerful tool for email marketing. Let's dive right into this step-by-step guide to customize your campaign's typography to better suit your brand's needs and aesthetics. First things first, if you're not already there, head over to the Klaviyo website. Once you land on the homepage, you'll want to locate the Campaigns section. This can be easily found on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to a list of campaigns you've previously set up, which can be quite handy if you've got multiple marketing efforts running at once. Now, with your list of campaigns in front of you, the next step is to choose the specific campaign in which you'd like to import a new font. Identify the campaign that requires a more personal or branded touch, and select it. This will help make your communications stand out in your subscribers' inbox. Once you've picked your campaign, look for the three dots icon, usually called an Options or More Actions menu. Clicking on this will give you additional options. From here, select Edit Campaign. You'll be redirected to a more detailed setup, where you can make various changes to your campaign's content and appearance. With your campaign now open for editing, you'll see an Edit option at the top. Clicking this ensures you're now ready to focus on the design elements of your email. At this stage, you'll want to drag a text block into your campaign. Adding this text block is crucial as it will serve as the canvas for your new font. Now that you have your text block in place, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top. You'll notice a drop-down menu that allows you to select a font for your text. This is where the magic happens. Click on the drop-down to explore your font choices. If you don't see the font you wish to use, don't worry. You can easily add a font by clicking on the Add Font button. This action opens up further possibilities for customization. At this point, you have several options. You can import fonts from Google Fonts, Adobe Fonts, or even bring in your own font files if there's something specific you have in mind. Each of these methods allows you to enrich your campaign with unique typography that aligns perfectly with your brand's visual identity. Remember, choosing the right font can make a significant difference in how your message is perceived, enhancing readability and engagement. In conclusion, by following these simple steps, you can enhance your Klaviyo campaigns with customized fonts, making your emails more vibrant and on-brand. Enjoy experimenting with different options to find the perfect fit for your next campaign. Thanks for watching and happy designing.